Brad, back here at Manhattan Beach Toyota, and today I'm going to share with you what I believe is the most sporty new car for under $25,000. It's the 2021 Toyota Corolla Apex. Let's go check it out. All right, so we got to start off with the exterior. I mean, look at this thing. This is a Corolla? No way. The Apex just gives it that sexy look. Some of the first things that catch my eye are the lines on this car. I love the way it just has that sporty lineage to it throughout the entire vehicle, from the front end to the back end. One of the things about the Corolla Apex is that you get so much that's already included into it. Like these black 18-inch alloy wheels. These things are insane. And you gotta love that sport mesh black front grille. Really has a great look to it, especially when you add the bronze and black front spoiler kits to it. And when you get into the car, I really love this two-tone. Normally I'm not one for the lighter colors on the interior. How about that touchscreen? Everything is right there, easy to touch, makes it easy to drive and pay attention to what's going on the road, while also you have the ease of a large touchscreen. One of the things that allow you to put control back in your hands are these paddle shifters. And to go along with these paddle shifters, they also have sport mode. And under the hood, we have a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder dual VVT engine. Not only is this thing super sporty, but it's also super safe, capturing 5-star ratings on almost every category there is. Alright, so what do you think? Is this the sportiest new vehicle for under $25,000? I think so. Also love the cement color. It's one of my favorites in the new Toyota lines. Anyway, let us know in the comments below your thoughts and questions. We'll try to get to them as soon as we can. Thanks for watching.